So Charleston is not well known for its international food. We are very well known for its Southern cuisine. But tonight I am heading downtown with some really good friends of mine, and we are gonna check out a Pakistani restaurant called Ma'am Saab. Can't wait to show you what it's like.
Love the buttered chicken. Wow, that was so good on the basmati rice. Very interesting shrimp dish. A great kind of fritters that were very light and fluffy and had wonderful vegetarian filling to them. Like the kind of place that there were date night people, there were girl night people, and when we first came in, there was a family with a very unhappy child. But so it was a lovely atmosphere and good service, nice people.
I absolutely loved it. My favorite, I think, was definitely the zucchini, which I think they were fries, but it was almost like a chip fritters. And I think everything we tried was a different, unique flavor. I would 100% absolutely go back.